Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Viper Knives Dan 1 drop point. This is a slip joint knife and you got a front, I wouldn't call it flipper, it doesn't flip out, but you use your thumb to front open that. And the overall length on this guy is 7 1/8 of an inch. Blade length is just under 2.9 inches of Bowler N690. And your handle length is 4.25 inches. And you've got Bocote wood on this one. I think that's how you say it, Bocote, not really sure. Stainless steel liners, and you've got a pocket clip for tip up or tip down, or excuse me, tip up right or left-handed carry. You do not have the tip down option on this guy. So you got other colors as well. This one, a lighter wood and a darker wood, and many others. So go ahead to our website and check those out. Overall weight is 3.06 ounces. Here's our tactical clothespin for size comparison. And guys, if you like the way this knife looks the way I do, you should go to bladehq.com and buy one. They are awesome. The Viper Knives Dan 1.